Hey there, happy Cinco de Mayo. It's What's Cooking, and we've got quite a thing going on in here. I don't even know where to start because there's so much stuff.
I think as usual we start with a cocktail.
Okay, so tell me what we have.
Well, today we are going to do a version of a margarita.
Okay.
Of course, margarita or cerveza, we've got some Coronas. That actually is an appropriate drink too.
Okay.
Or Pacificos,
did you know that today is Taco Tuesday?
Absolutely.
It's Cinco de Mayo, and the pandemic that took out our ability to go and celebrate
It's Corona.
is a Corona.
But we're still celebrating.
Jeez Louise, oh my word.
So, what we're starting with here is we're using mason jars.
I love these mason jars.
So Mary Beth is going to actually sort of rim it in lime juice.
So we got some lime juice.
And then put in a little spunky salt, chili lime seasoning salt for the rim, which is kind of fun because this is going to have a little spice to it. Mm-hmm. So what we have concocted in here is some organic lime juice. We've got a little bit of jalapeno mixed in here. A little bit of sweet and sour added into it as well. And we are going to mix and pour that concoction into our shaker cup.
He's messy.
I'm really not that messy.
And what's this?
Well, we have a shot of tequila. We're going to put that in. And you can use whatever kind of tequila you like. We've got some choices back here. We've got some 1800. We've got some Don Julio 70. We've got the silver and stuff from Costco, whatever you like. And then we take this little bad boy here. We shake it all up good.
All right.
And then we're going to put a big cube in there. We love the big ice cubes. And then we're going to pour that right on in. Ooh, that's going to be good.
Okay.
All right.
How's everybody doing? Has everybody, had a Corona? Not a Corona. Oh my God, that is not the good thing to say.
It's beer.
A margarita or some cerveza. All right, I'm gonna taste it.
Give it a shot. It should have a little jalapeno kick to it.
That is good.
Is it?
It's super good. Okay, I'm gonna put that down. And
I'm gonna move out of your way so you can kind of make all this happen.
Okay. So today, I was like, okay, what am I gonna make? And we had rotisserie chicken from Costco. And yesterday I did those spring rolls with the pork belly and the pork ribs, and they were so good that I was going to make enchiladas. Then I was gonna make, I don't know, I had all kinds of concoctions that I was gonna make today. So it ended up that back here is tortilla soup, a creamy version. So it's chicken broth, salsa, green chilies, garlic, olive oil, saute all that stuff, whole cans of crushed tomato, diced tomato. And then of course I threw cream cheese in it, and I used the emulsion blender and made it creamy, and cilantro. So now I'm going to put some of the chicken. So let me get some of that going. It's already rotisserie and it's nice. And I didn't want to cook it all day with it because the chicken's really juicy and nice. It just needs to be warmed because it's already cooked. So we have chicken tortilla soup, which will be yummy, yummy, yummy. And that will be topped with some fresh cilantro that I already have cut up, as well as a dollop of sour cream because we like a lot of fat. So now, look what I made. I already made one just to see. So, we are not gonna have enchiladas because, flour tortillas and corn tortillas are no bueno. So I'm gonna make
For us.
fresh vegetable, fresh chicken Mexican spring rolls. So you have to start with a bowl of very warm water. And I think my bowl got chilly. So let's get it going. And again, this is inspired by Chef Brian Malarkey, who is doing an Instagram live at 6 p.m. And it's for charity. And it's like 2 other chefs from Top Chef with oh my goodness, Troy Johnson. who is the writer for the food on San Diego Magazine. So that's 6 o'clock. You guys can totally tune in, and I know Chef Brian Malarkey is making some kind of spring roll. So I've only done this is my second time, yesterday and today. So I'm just gonna spin this thing around until I think it's ready, because I guess you can kind of tell. Yep, okay. I think it needs a little bit of a bigger spin. Okay, so I have the chicken, I have cilantro, I'm gonna start with some cilantro. Do you guys see my cool cutting board and my cool knife that I love? That Eric brought me yesterday, love it. Okay, I'm gonna put cheese, because it's, I'm gonna put a little bit of diced jalapeno. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And our neighbor Jan's gonna have some, and she likes things spicy. Look at this avocado. Gonna put avocado down. And some shredded chicken. All right. So, this is one of those things that it's a constant hand cleaning event. I think I have everything. And then I made yesterday sour cream, cream cheese, and I think I used salsa. Yep, salsa and cumin and cilantro. And I made a dipping sauce, and that's in this jar right here. So, I'm obsessed over these new mason jars that I got from Amazon. So look, there it is. So I'm gonna make a whole bunch of those, and I think that's gonna be super good, right? Mm-hmm. I'm on my way with 2 of them done. There's a lot of them in this stack. They're so thin, right? So isn't that cool? So instead of using a corn tortilla or a flour tortilla, you can use these little, they are rice, but it's so insignificant as far as carbs go. So I think it's a good keto-friendly Mexican twist on Cinco de Mayo. So we have the shredded chicken, the cheese, some spring onions, jalapenos, radishes, the cilantro, and you know what might be good too? I think even some of this chili lime seasoning salt would be pretty and good on there. Avocado, and then we've got the chicken tortilla soup behind me that's going. Let me see if I can show you what that looks like, because it's nice and creamy. But I need something clear to put in, and I don't think I have anything. I think I used all my clear bowls. So anyway, you can trust me that it's going to be creamy and good. Oh, I think that should have some sliced avocado, cilantro, and the sour cream. So we'll make that. And because Philip Fredrickson really does like corn tortillas to the extent that he bought them today, I'm going to make cheese quesadillas and fry them nice and crisp. And that will become like a little crouton for the tortilla soup. I think this sounds really good. Mm-hmm. Doesn't it sound good? Okay. So, that's what's cooking over here. Hopefully you guys are all having a good day, and it's beautiful. It's in the 90s, isn't it, over here?
95 it was today.
So super, super warm. What? What did he do? He's funny. So we're gonna go outside and have a little cocktail, and I'm gonna keep making these spring rolls. I gotta tell you, after like 10 of these yesterday, I was done. I was bored, because I swear I do have ADD, and it just is tedious. But I think it's fun, and they're fresh and delicious, so I'm excited. Anything else we want to talk about today? What did we do today?
Worked.
You didn't hike or anything, did you? I can't even remember.
No, it's too hot.
We worked a lot. Yeah. It's Tuesday, right?
It's Tuesday. Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday, Cinco de Mayo.
We built a little coffee table on the couch.
Yep, Amazon delivered something and Philip built it, even though it was kind of falling apart and not the best of quality. But it's for behind the sofa, so that, it's just one of those tables that nobody even sees. So it's not a bad thing.
It turned out okay. It's just cheap.
Exactly. So, I know what we had today. We had that really cool guy, that military guy.
Oh, yeah.
On our Zoom call.
He's the interrogator for... what's his name
from Osama bin Laden.
Yeah, Osama bin Laden.
He's the guy that did all the interviews to locate where Osama bin Laden was, and he was this incredible listener, and it was all about his listening skills. and how he was able to thread the needle back to all these other people he had spoken to, and it had something to do with like a fish pond and a lake, and this fish that Osama bin Laden had to have his chef make for him. So, I mean, it's kind of a crazy story. I can't remember his name at the moment.
Maddox. His last name was Maddox.
Maddox, that's right. Yeah, it was good. He was very, very badass. So we have Chef Brian Malarkey on Instagram Live with Troy Johnson at 6 p.m. with like 2 other chefs. So you should check out Facebook and look at Troy Johnson's Facebook page. And other than that, I'm going to have a little Cinco de Mayo, right?
Yeah.
Cheers, everybody. Everybody stay physically distant while staying socially connected. Virtually. See, we're even 6 feet apart right now. I'm kidding. All right, see you guys.